Think we'll see any Silksong gameplay in this? Oh, I'm dying to this guy. I'm dying to a little bug that can't even attack me. This one is harder. New swimming technology. Oh, this guy. Oh no, these guys are really hard. Okay, somehow I beat him. This is called the Hollow Ball. This game is heavily inspired by Super Monkey Ball 2. The second one specifically. It's like whack-a-mole, but you're whacking bugs. Oh, get that guy. Oh, he went on the spikes. Oh, you don't want to get over it. You don't want to get sent over there. Oh no. Oh no. I didn't know there was boss fights in this one. Oh no, I'm losing. I'm losing. I got this. I don't die to this. This is the first boss. I don't die to the first boss. You think that kills me? No. I'm at full health. Moss Mother. Send me Moss Brother. Moss Mother's too easy. You're out, you're dead. That's it, I beat the game. I'm good at Hollow Knights, man. Bone Bottom. Dunk, I'm sorry, but I can't watch this anymore. Bone Town is too scary. I can respect that. Hollow Knight 1 never had a Bone Town. The first one was rated E, this one is rated T. It's like a Dark Souls, you hit the bells. If you hit 2 bells, then the guy comes out. Oh, this thing is harder than a Kraegler's hide. Simple key. Seems like a key. For 500, it should be more ornate. Eat your little monkey bread. Hey, I found the song. Join your voice with mine, Red Maiden. You and me will do the song. Okay. Not working. I don't know if this game works. It was my understanding that this was like a rock band type game. Rock band Aerosmith. Oh, now this is like Rock Band Aerosmith, this part. Dirty money. All right. I think I developed the dunk ship. Oh, that's a bench. I just made a bench. Oh, knock him in the lava. Did you meet Boney Tony yet? No, I haven't gotten to Boney Tony's hut yet. I remember that was a big character in the first one though. The shard pendant. It lets me get more shells. The whole time I've been playing this game, I've been thinking, man, how come I can only collect a certain amount of shells per each creature? I like this enemy. This is a funny hedgehog, evil hedgehog guy. Whatever you do, don't look up. Don't type in BioFreaks cover art. That's not a good idea. I hear somebody singing a Silk song. Oh! Pashanka! Ba. In my land, that is the way warriors greet each other. Lay. Go, keep singing. I was liking that. Lay. Get this up here. Gotta get this up here. There. Boom. Where's my prize? I get double damage. He's trying to hug me. I like the enemies so far. Good funniness, a good amount of funniness to the enemies. How many bosses have you beaten? Oh, hundreds already. The Moss boss, Big Moss. I beat that guy who was trying to hug me. That was a good boss. The guy with all the bees, yeah, I beat that guy. Look, it's Hollow Knight. He's up there. It's his hollow head. Oh, poor bug. Hey, what if they did Hollow Knight with Will Smith? They would have to call it Smith's song. You are very funny. I hope I sat on a good bench before this. The Bell Beast. Oh, Bell Beast. It's like that. died to marbles. I think those were bells. Why would the Bell Beast have bells? That was a marble. This is the dude when you go to Taco Bell at 3 in the morning. This is the dude that's like, he's one car in front of you, but it takes like forever because he orders tons of food. That's why they call him the Bell Beast. He orders like 10 gordita crunches. Oh! No! Why does he have so many marbles? They should have called him the Marble Man. This game is largely about knowing how many marbles your opponent will use in a battle. Once you have that knowledge, it's easy. Baja Blast! Oh! Who you guys like more, Bell Beast or Mr. Beast? Email me who would win. I need a marble helmet. Let me check if this guy can be beaten. No, he can't be beaten. I got this, I got this. I got this. I got a heal though. I died. He's unbeatable, the game is unbeatable. Stop laughing at me. I'm good at Hollow Knights. It's not funny. This isn't my fault. I thought this was like Rock Band. I didn't know you'd be fighting fucking the Taco Bell monster. I win this. I'm at full health. I got 1 health. I won. I did it. That's what you get for trying to battle me. That's the easiest boss that I ever fought my whole life. Liberated. You're free now. Free to go to other restaurants other than Taco Bell. Try Wendy's. Try the new chicken. Every time I win, I die. What's the point of winning if you just die every time? I could have just died all by myself. I'm good as hell at the dying part of the game. How do I go, It's not working. He's back? I gotta battle him again? Beast. Beast. Horrible beast. He's not that bad. He only takes like 70 tries. This thing is harder than the Bell Beast. There. This is who the Bell Beast is working for. Bah! Oh, that's nice. Surprisingly, even though this game is heavily inspired by Super Monkey Ball 2, surprisingly, I'm still not getting any bananas. Can never be beat. Oh! What is this? You thought you could get me with the old mustard trick. You gotta remember that I beat a lot of Hollow Knights in my day. I beat Ants Racing also, and Ants Extreme Racing. Sometimes you gotta risk it all, for no reason other than to look cool. If you can't understand that as a gamer, then you will never be able to understand me. Watch this. Boom. Now I've accessed a super secret room that nobody knows about yet. This is called the Mustard Room. I don't know why they got so much mustard in this one. Are the mustard mechanics in the game better than Ratatouille? Again, you guys, Ratatouille, for the time, Ratatouille was a Quad A production. Why didn't you guys tell me that Grindel would share a sneaky secret with me for my clicky clackies? I'll give you 10 clicky clackies. Oh wait, no, they're all gone. If I died to an ant, that's not good. I better not die to an ant. I don't even think I died to an ant in Ants Racing. You can't just put a dumbass bone saber in the ceiling. That doesn't make any sense. I missed the old Hollow Knight. Everybody was buddies with you. You would win on the first try every time. You would find bananas everywhere. There was a level where you could ride Rambi and you made like a big rainbow bridge. Bubblehead. What? This is unbeatable. They messed up with this Hollow Knight. You can't win. You can't win no more. How you gonna beat this guy? I like the sound effect though. This is funny. Why do I just kill him like that? What do the iron shards do? Those are extremely important. I lost like 800 of them. Oomba! Oomba! Oh, what is this guy? Drum guy? Drum Knight? What the fuck? What is this? I beat Drum Knight on the first try. What? No, no, no. Not more, not more. No, 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 no more, no more. We're done. No, no, we're done, we're done. Don't you do that. Oh my God, that's it. That's it. I defeated an all new, super powerful legendary boss called the Drum Man. Infamously hard boss. And then they spawn in 2 more enemies. That guy will kill you. What? That guy he wasn't even attacking anymore. We made an agreement that his attack was over and then it still killed me. This is playing like boss fight music right now. Is this a boss? That was too easy to be a boss. Oh no, now there's 2 ants, 2 mosquitoes? Oh no, I can't beat that. I can't beat that. I mastered Hollow Knight. I'm the best Hollow Knight player. What the fuck? What is that? What the fuck? I lost an ant. This is sitting there. I can run. Whee! Now when I die, I can run from the bench faster. He can't do that. He can't. Since when can he jump? Look, you can see that I'm gonna win this one. Anybody can see. Since when can he jump? It's like every time I fight him, he has new moves. Oh, that was pretty cool what I did there. Oh, you jumped? He's only killed you 10 times with a jump attack. I don't believe that. I don't think he does have a jump attack. I mean, he can jump out of the floor, certainly. I'll admit that. But a jump attack? No. This boss? No. Since when the fuck can he dunk? You can heal mid-air in this game, not if you're dead. Now, will I win on this attempt? Of course not. But after 30 attempts more, will I win? No. But on the 31st attempt, then I will finally... I won't win on that one, but the 32nd attempt. You have to keep in mind that it took him 8 years to make this game. So it's only right that it should take 8 years to beat the game, too. Oh. Oh, that was new. I never did that before. I got this. I got this. I got this one. This is me. This is me on this one. I'm not gonna kiss him. This time, I'm gonna get him. He doesn't have that. He's almost dead. Apparently he jumps now, okay. All right, Dick. You wanna jump? 2 can jump. I can jump too. Except when I do it, I die. What if I go up there and fight him and win? Let me think about what I'm gonna do. Ah, wait, I shouldn't do that. That's too crazy. Okay. This is how I win. Backer credits. Why is this off? This is turned off? Oh, no wonder this game sucks. Turn that on. Now we're good. Oh, oh. Why didn't the backers tell me he could jump? No wonder they got turned off. Hollow Knight, this is why you don't fuck with the backers. And that's how you beat the fucking game of Hollow Knight. Easily. This bullshit easy fucking game. A fucking bullshit game for children. Please. Can I go back to playing Donkey Kong now? A game for men? Can I be free from this children's game? Where you beat every boss instantaneously? By activating the backer credits?